All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to evaluate some composite functions. So I have two functions. F of x is 2x squared and g of x is 1 minus 3x squared. So f of g of x, I can write f of g of 4. So the first thing I need to know is what is g at 4? Well, g at 4 is 1 minus 3 times 4 squared, which is 1 minus 3 times 16, or 1 minus 48, or negative 47. Okay. So now this is the same as f of negative 47. So now that's the same as 2 times negative 47 squared, which is 4,418. Now let's look at this one. This is the same as g of f of 2. So I need to know what f of 2 is. F of 2 is 2 times 2 squared, which is 2 times 4, or 8. So you need to know is what is g of 8? Well, that's the same as 1 minus 3 times 8 squared, or 1 minus 3 times 64, which equals negative 191. F composed with f at 1. So I need to know what f of 1 is. Well, that's 2 times 1 squared, which is 2. So now I really want to know what is f of 2. And that's 2 times 2 squared, which is 8. And g of g at 0. So g of 0 is 1 minus 3 times 0 squared, which is 1. So that's the same as g at 1. And g at 1 is 1 minus 3 times 1 squared, which is negative 2. So you just have to evaluate the inner function first, and then plug that answer into the outer function.